One-click data upload. Results generated in the cloud. Here's a tutorial on RS7 cloud upload. Free your computer from heavy processing tasks. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more tips. Before using the cloud upload feature, please create a processing template on the CoCloud website. Log in to the CoCloud website. Go to Processing Templates and click Add Processing Template. Enter a template name. Then select the device type as Handheld Loader. Next, configure the base station and coordinate system. Select the desired output results and click Confirm. Depending on project requirements, you can create multiple processing templates. Next, return to SmartGo Neo. First, check the device firmware be version 1.3.5 or later. SmartGo Neo should be version 1.5.3.11 or later. If you plan to generate models, make sure the device has the required modeling license. Open Project Management. Tap Project Upload in the upper right corner. Select CoCloud Cloud Service. Enter the same CoCloud account and password used on the website. Select the processing template you created earlier. In the Upload Network settings, select Wi-Fi mode. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and click Save. Then return to the project management page. Select the desired project and upload it with one click. After a short wait, you can access the CoCloud web portal to view and download the processed results. No more tying up your computer for data processing. Give it a try and streamline your workflow today.